The video game computer chip maker has become an unlikely kingmaker thanks to the AI boom, briefly gaining a trillion-dollar valuation. Last week, the company reported earnings and explained the incredible surge in demand it has seen as the tech world races to create new versions of AI, prompting potentially the largest one-day increase in a company's value ever. This week, it announced a new AI-focused chip bigger and better than its current offerings, prompting more people to buy its stock, briefly pushing its value over $1 trillion. Last week's 24% rise in stock price pushed Nvidia's worth to around $940 billion. That's more than Tesla and Facebook, which are worth $584 billion and $647 billion respectively. And it sits just behind the big tech companies of Apple, Google, Microsoft, and Amazon, and Saudi state oil giant Saudi Aramco, the only companies more valuable. The Tuesday stock bump briefly pushed Nvidia into that exclusive club of companies worth over $1 trillion. A set of 8 of the most advanced chips can cost $300,000, Osuri said. Companies buy thousands of them. Twitter owner Elon Musk recently bought about 10,000 GPUs as part of his plans to start a new AI company of his own, according to a report in Insider. The launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT, a chatbot that could have complex conversations, pass professional licensing exams, and write computer code, in November helped show the promise of the technology, essentially serving as a firing pistol for a new AI arms race. In a conference call with investors on Wednesday, Nvidia's chief financial officer Colette Kress called ChatGPT's launch the technology's iPhone moment, marking the point at which the world realized the potential for the new tech. The technology came together and helped everybody realize what an amazing product it can be and what capabilities it can have, Kress said. Nvidia's stock had already more than doubled this year as the AI boom took off, but the company blew past already high expectations on Wednesday when it forecast that sales in the second quarter would be $11 billion compared with the $7 billion that Wall Street analysts had forecast. The numbers blew everyone away, said CJ Muse, an analyst with Evercore Inc. No one saw that. The dependency on Nvidia is so widespread that big tech companies have been working on developing their own competing chips, much in the same way as Apple spent years developing its own chips so it could avoid having to rely on and pay other companies to outfit its devices. Google has built its own tensor processing units for several years, and both Microsoft and Amazon have programs to design their own as well. Even so, those alternatives won't be enough for the biggest companies, Muse said. I think Nvidia dominance will continue.